Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm putting fellow YouTuber Prestige Options to the test to find out if he is legit or if he is a scammer. I believe he's selling some sort of group subscription or membership, and he's posting trade strategies on his YouTube trying to bring you in to his membership services. Now, I'm not saying he's not legit. I'm going to put him to the test in this video. I'm testing his popular triple EMA trading strategy 100 times to see if it's truly profitable like he claims. What he does in his video is very normal for most trading YouTubers. He shows 3 winning trades in a row on a chart. He doesn't do it live, he does it as in the past. So he back tested, found 3 in a row that were winners, and used those for his video to demonstrate the trade strategy. What I'm going to do is test it 100 times, and we'll find out if this guy is legit or if he is just trying to sell you his services. Let me explain the strategy real quick, but you can watch his video for his detailed explanation. I'm going to be trading it exactly like he says to trade it. So first of all, you're going to put on 21, 13, and 9 EMAs. Then you're going to look for trade direction on the 1 hour chart. If price is below all 3 of the EMAs, we're looking for shorts only. So right now we're looking for only shorts. Price is below all 3 on the hourly chart. And then we go back to the 5-minute to look for our trade setup. We're first looking for 6 candles that are not touching the EMAs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a minimum of 6 candles not touching the EMAs. And then what we're doing is waiting till it does touch. And we call the first touch on the EMA a trigger candle, is what he calls it. Once you get that trigger candle, you count back 5 candles, so including the one that's a trigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you find the lowest point or lowest candle close out of those 5, and that's going to be your entry signal when price does go through that and below it. So then you wait, and then if this were to come back down and go through that point, that's going to be your short signal to enter a short position. You're going to set your risk to reward as so. He doesn't give a specific risk to reward ratio, so I'm going to have to kind of make it up. I would probably choose the swing high here. So I would say, here's our entry. Then I would say just above, let's say that was the highest point from when the entry is. And then I do a 2-to-1 risk to reward, or 1.5, either way. But for this video, since it's a trend following strategy, we're going to be using 2-to-1 risk to reward if price comes back down here. So that's the strategy. Go watch his video if you want to know more, but we're here to test, is this guy legit? I don't know if he is or not. I have no opinion on the matter, but it's always fun to see if these guys are really knowing what they're talking about when they're putting these videos up onto YouTube and selling paid services. So let's see how it works. I'm going to backtest this strategy 100 times on the Euro against USD, and I will let you know the full results, and we'll figure out if this guy's spewing a bunch of bullshit or if he is in fact giving valuable trading strategies to the public for free, which he very well might be. Let's figure it out. I'm fast forwarding, starting now. Alright, after 100 trades, we had winners 48, losses 52, with the win rate being 48%. The most lost in a row was 7 and the most won in a row was 6. The total gain on the account, assuming no fees and perfect entries, 44%. Pretty good. Not a bad strategy at all, as long as you are able to execute the strategy flawlessly without failure using proper risk management. This is with a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Maybe it would do better with a 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 or 1.5-to-1, but in this example, 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio using the most recent swing low or swing high as the stop loss placement. Maybe you could test this with parabolic SAR as your stop loss, using different techniques for choosing your stop loss and your profit targets. But with this example, here is the result. And it's pretty good. I would say Prestige Options is providing a winning strategy, but it doesn't mean that he is a profitable trader if he doesn't have the mentality properly built over time. So, I'd say trade this strategy, do a little more testing on it, but I'd say good strategy by Prestige Options. So, thumbs up for Prestige Options. Go subscribe to that channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.